Farmers are asking the authorities for support to cushion effects of COVID-19 on their operations. This follows efforts to ramp up agricultural production by some big players in the industry. Lara Afolayo reports.
The lockdown is gradually being eased in parts of the country amid a rising spread of the coronavirus disease. Many industries have been grossly affected and farming is not left out. Farmers were unable to visit farms and had fears of their farmlands being attacked while the lockdown lasted. Now that the restriction has almost been totally removed in the FCT, farmers count their losses.
A lot of farmers have problems. They could not access any inputs from anywhere. All the stores is closed. So a lot of problem is up to this moment as we are talking, we are still having a problem. The problem has not ended.
Against the backdrop of possible food shortages, some agro-industry players now are sure of increasing certain crops' output for greater food security.
That is why the agri-business company is sourcing, procuring, grading, processing and exporting other agricultural products such as cocoa, cashew, sesame and cotton, and sensitizing more farmers to plant rice and hand-holding them with training and inputs in 5 states of Nigeria.
Nigeria spends billions on food imports annually, even before the emergence of a pandemic and its attendant effect on food production. Experts now advocate urgent interventions for the industry to make up for shortfalls.
So we need to mechanize. We've got the de-risking. You have the massive intervention funds coming on 10 presidential agricultural value chains. Very, very welcome. But we also welcome the idea that the bank is pushing other commercial banks to mainstream support for agriculture. Not just from intervention fund this alone, but let them use their CRR-backed lending to push money into this real sector.
The farmers also want inputs and other relevant help from government at this time.
Farmers need grants because what they need in other countries, they give farmers grants and subsidies. Subsidies in the inputs. All the inputs supposed to be subsidized. In fact, all the tractors have to be in a cheaper price so that farmers can access the motor they have this thing. And we are talking about banks supporting the agricultural sector in Nigeria. Banks are not supporting agriculture in Nigeria.
The Nigerian economy has been grossly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, and experts see agriculture as a viable area that could grow non-oil GDP if given the right support. Lara Afolayo, TVC News, Abuja.